Did you know over 60 million Americans are now making money online? But this is not just an American thing because according to Forbes, global digital payments are projected to reach $129 trillion by 2027. So how exactly are people doing this and where are they making all of this money? Well, in today's video, I'll be sharing my findings with you guys so you can start seeing results in your own online journey. But before we do get into today's video, please smash that like button. It really does help out, and if you enjoyed today's video, we have a ton more just like it coming up, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. And without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. For starters, a survey was conducted among adults in the United States ages 18 to 24. The study found that 39% of those surveyed said they earned money through online work. In addition, 43% of millennials and 46% of Gen Zers between the ages of 18 and 24 said they had done freelancing work to supplement their income. These statistics show that there is a clear interest in learning how to make money online. And what's even more interesting is that the vast majority of people are still struggling to figure this out. Why is that, you might ask? Well, there are many reasons why. And the most obvious one is because there's a lot of scammers out there who don't want you to know how to make money online. But the truth is that it's actually quite simple once you know where to look. And that's exactly what I'm going to be doing in today's video. I've compiled a list of the best places to go to if you want to learn how to make money online. And let me tell you, you won't be disappointed. If you stay tuned till the end, I'll share with you guys a little bit of a secret. And that is how much money I personally made using some of the websites on this list, so definitely stay tuned to find out more. Alright, so how exactly can you start making money online? Well, one way to start making money online is by taking surveys. Many companies are willing to pay you for your opinion on various topics. There are many different platforms out there that offer paid surveys. And one of the best ones is a website called swagbucks.com. Here you can take surveys, watch videos, and shop online to earn points which can then be redeemed for gift cards or cash. You can also download the Swagbucks app for your phone and earn points for every step you take. As you can see, Swagbucks is a great way to earn some extra cash. And the best part is that anyone can do it. Another option for making money online is to start a blog. Starting a blog can be a great way to share your thoughts and ideas with the world, and you can even make money from it by putting advertisements on your blog and getting paid for every click, or by selling products or services. If you want to start a blog, WordPress is a great platform to use. They're easy to set up and use, and you can choose from thousands of different templates. Once you've created your blog, you need to start writing some content. This doesn't have to be anything fancy. Just write about something that you're passionate about and you know a lot about. And the more high-quality content you create, the more likely it is that people will read it and want to come back for more. You should also try to promote your blog on social media and other websites. The more people who know about your blog, the more likely it is that you'll make money from it. And while it may take some time to start seeing results, don't give up. With hard work and dedication, you can turn your passion into a profitable business. And speaking of platforms, YouTube is another great option if you want to make money online. Becoming a YouTuber is becoming more and more popular each day. And the best part is you don't need to be a professional filmmaker or have a ton of money to get started. All you need is a good idea for videos and the willingness to learn how to edit them. There are a lot of different ways to make money on YouTube. One way is by putting advertisements on your videos and getting paid for every view. Another way is by selling products or services related to your videos. And finally, you can also make money by simply promoting other companies' products or services in your videos. Whatever method you choose, it's important to remember that consistency is key. The more high-quality videos you publish, the more likely it is that people will stick around and watch them. And the more people who watch your videos, the more money you're likely to make. So if you're looking for a fun and rewarding way to make money online, YouTube might be the perfect option for you. Now, another great way to make money online is by creating and selling courses. If you're an expert in a particular field, you can create a course and sell it on a website like Udemy. People are always looking for new and innovative courses to take, and if yours is good enough, it could be one of the top sellers on Udemy. Plus, once you've created the course, you can set your price and sell it as many times as you want. So it's a great way to generate passive income. So if you think you have something valuable to teach, Why not share your knowledge with the world and make some money while doing it? Who knows? You could be the next big thing in online learning. Moving on, we have LinkedIn. If you're a job seeker, LinkedIn is the place to be. LinkedIn is a professional networking site that can help you connect with potential employers. Employers use LinkedIn to find qualified candidates for open positions. So make sure your profile is up to date and use keywords that relate to the jobs you're interested in. You can also follow companies you're interested in working for to stay up to date on job openings. And if you're already employed, LinkedIn can help you stay connected with people in your industry and keep up with the latest trends. So whether you're looking for a new job or just want to stay connected with people in your industry, LinkedIn is a great resource. Next up on our list is Fiverr. If you're looking for a way to showcase your skills and talents and earn some extra cash, Fiverr is a great option. Fiverr is a platform that allows you to create and sell your services starting at just $5. It's a great way to get your foot in the door and start building a client base. Whether you're a writer, designer, virtual assistant, or anything else, Fiverr is a great place to start. So if you're looking for a flexible way to earn some extra income, sign up for Fiverr today and start offering your services. You never know who you might reach. So if you're looking for a way to share your love of reading with the world, why not become a book reviewer on Goodreads? Goodreads is a great place to start. It's a website where people can find and talk about books. You can start your own book review blog and share your thoughts on the latest releases or become a reviewer for other people's books. You can even review books you've read in the past and share your thoughts with the world. If you're looking for a fun and rewarding way to spend your free time, why not become a book reviewer on Goodreads? Now let's talk about a platform that allows you to monetize your creativity. Canva Pro is a graphic design platform that makes it easy for anyone to create beautiful designs. And if you're an artist, designer, or just someone who loves to express their creativity, Canva Pro is a great tool to have in your arsenal. Not only is Canva Pro incredibly user-friendly, but it also gives you access to a library of millions of images, graphics, and fonts. Plus, you can even create your own designs from scratch. And the best part is that you can monetize your creations by selling them on platforms like Etsy or Redbubble. Whether you're looking to make some extra cash or turn your passion for design into a full-time career, Canva Pro is a great place to start. And speaking of turning passions into profit, let's chat about ClickBank. If you're looking to make money online, ClickBank is a great place to start. ClickBank is a digital marketplace where you can buy and sell digital products. And the best part is that you don't need to create your own product to get started. Instead, you can promote other people's products and earn a commission on any sales you make. It's a great way to start earning passive income, and the platform is free to join. Plus, there's no limit to how much money you can make. So if you're looking for a flexible way to earn income online, sign up for ClickBank today and start browsing the marketplace for products you want to promote. You never know what kind of success you might find. Another great way to make money online is by becoming a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants provide administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients remotely. You can offer your services on a freelance website and set your own hours and rates. This is a great option if you're looking for a flexible job with the ability to work from anywhere in the world. Finally, we have Medium. If you're a writer or a storyteller at heart, Medium is a great place to start. Medium is an online publishing platform where you can share your thoughts, ideas, and stories with the world. And the best part is that you can make money from your writing. The platform pays its writers based on the amount of time readers spend on their stories. So the more people who read your stories, the more money you'll make. Plus, Medium is a great way to connect with other writers and readers. You can follow other authors to stay up to date on their latest stories and even join writing challenges to improve your craft. So if you're looking for a creative outlet or a new way to make money online, why not give Medium a try? Who knows? Your next viral story could be just around the corner. So there you have it, 10 great ways to make money online. Remember, you can find all of these platforms by simply searching Google for things like make money online or work from home. And if you're patient and persistent, you'll be able to find the perfect opportunity for you. Don't forget to stay subscribed for more great content and check out our other video on 5 side hustles that can make you rich. Thanks for watching and happy hustling. Over the last 7 years, I've been able to build multiple 6-figure businesses with these strategies, In fact, in 2020 alone, I was able to make $300,000 using just these websites. And it's really not that difficult to do. And with the internet constantly evolving, there are more and more opportunities than ever to make money online. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. And most importantly, never give up. With hard work and dedication, you can achieve your financial goals and live the life you want. Good luck and happy hustling. Now, what's the most money you've ever made in a single month using these strategies? Comment that down below. Also, do you have a favorite strategy that's helped you make money online? If so, comment that down below. We really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to leave us a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content.